Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 6, 2024, and we're diving into Gilead Sciences' latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, it's great to have you here.
Thank you for having me. Gilead Sciences has been a key player in the biopharmaceutical industry, and their latest earnings report provides some interesting insights into their performance and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Gilead Sciences reported a total revenue of $7.5 billion for the third quarter of 2024, marking a 7% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Gilead's revenue growth is primarily driven by strong sales in their HIV portfolio, particularly Biktarvy, which saw a 13% increase to $3.5 billion. Additionally, their oncology and liver disease segments also contributed to this growth. However, it's important to note that the GAAP EPS decreased to $1 from $1.733 last year, mainly due to a significant IPR&D impairment charge.
And how does the non-GAAP EPS compare?
The non-GAAP EPS stands at 22 cents, down from 2.29 cents in the previous year. This decrease is largely due to higher acquired IPR&D and tax expenses, despite the increase in product sales.
Product sales and segment performance. Gilead's product sales have shown robust performance. Can you break down the performance across different segments?
Absolutely. HIV product sales increased by 9% to $5.1 billion, with Biktarvy leading the charge. Oncology sales rose by 6% to $816 million, driven by demand for Trodelvy. Veklury, used for COVID-19 treatment, also saw a 9% increase to $692 million, reflecting higher hospitalization rates in the U.S.
What about their liver disease portfolio?
The liver disease portfolio saw a 4% increase to $733 million, primarily due to higher demand for viral hepatitis treatments, although pricing dynamics were a slight headwind.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Gilead has also made strides in operational efficiencies. What can you tell us about their cash flow and future outlook?
Gilead generated $4.3 billion in operating cash flow this quarter, which is quite impressive. However, their cash reserves decreased to $5 billion, largely due to the acquisition of CymaBay Therapeutics. Looking ahead, Gilead has increased its full-year revenue guidance, reflecting confidence in their product pipeline, including the recent U.S. launch of Livdelzi for primary biliary cholangitis.
How does this align with their strategic initiatives?
Gilead is focusing on expanding their impact in virology and oncology, with promising developments like the potential launch of lenacapavir for HIV prevention. These initiatives are expected to drive future growth and enhance their market position.
Risks and strategic initiatives. Every company faces risks, and Gilead is no exception. What are the key risks highlighted in this report?
The most significant risk is the $1.75 billion IPR&D impairment related to assets from Immunomedics. This has impacted their earnings significantly. Additionally, Gilead is navigating competitive pressures in the oncology space, particularly with Yescarta facing increased competition.
On a strategic front, what initiatives are they pursuing?
Gilead is actively pursuing strategic collaborations, such as their partnership with Genesis Therapeutics to develop novel therapies. They've also declared a quarterly dividend of 77 cents per share, reflecting their commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Gilead Sciences has delivered a solid performance this quarter with a 7% revenue growth and strong cash flow generation. Despite some challenges, their strategic initiatives and product pipeline position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Gilead's focus on innovation and strategic partnerships is promising. While the IPR&D impairment is a setback, their robust product sales and increased guidance indicate a positive outlook. Investors should keep an eye on their upcoming product launches and regulatory approvals.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Gilead's performance in the comments below.